Hello, beautiful people. So, today I'm here to present to you a very interesting program done using C. This is actually an amazing quiz game with a lot of outstanding features, and I'll be discussing all the features as we proceed. So, come let's begin without any further ado. As we can see, the name of the game is the Ultimate Quiz Game, and here are 3 rounds. Here are the rules. In the first round, there will be 3 questions. We have to choose the correct answer. In the second round, there will also be 3 questions, and we have to write the correct answer in one word. In the third round, there will be 4 questions, and we have to input the correct answer in one word within 10 seconds. Isn't that cool? Failing to answer correctly within the required time will result in penalty. So, are you ready for the ultimate quiz? I am. Now they have asked you to enter your name and then press enter button to begin quizzing. I'll be playing today as Perry. So I have entered my name and pressed enter button. Now they have asked you to press S to continue the game or press Q to quit the game and then press enter to continue the game. So would be pressing S and then enter. Now here we have 3 categories. The first category is math trivia, the second is sports, and the third is random. I'll be going for math trivia first, so I'll be pressing 1 and then enter. Now quizzing starts in 3, 2, 1. So here is our first question. According to me, the answer should be C. So I'll press C and that is the correct answer. For the second question, we have a sum. According to me, the answer is A and that is also the correct answer. For 3, I think the answer is C. Well, that was wrong. The answer was actually D. So that was the end of round 1. Now the round 2 starts. For the first question, we have how many months have 30 days? According to me, it's 11 months. So I'll type in 11. And yes, that was the correct answer. What is a 1 by 4 as percentage? I think it's 25. Well, that was correct again. What is the opposite of 6? I think it's 9. Well, that's wrong. The correct answer is -6. That was the end of round 2. Now round 3 begins. Remember, we have to answer within a time. I think for the first one, the answer is 1. So I entered 1 and that is the correct answer. Now this might take some time. Let me calculate it up. Oops, we have run out of time and we have failed to answer. The correct answer was 2130. For the third one, I think the answer is 52. Let's enter the answer and wow, that was correct. For this one, I think the answer is 2500. Let's see. Oh wow, that was correct too. Well, my total score is now 6. To play again, hit 1 and press enter. To view scoreboard, hit 2 and press enter. To quit, press 3. I think this is an interesting game and I would like to continue. So I'll press 1. So as you can see, after pressing 1, they're asking for our name and has asked us to press enter again. So this time I'll play as, say, Trina. And since we want to start the game, I'm gonna press S and enter. And this time I'm gonna go for sports. So for the first question, as far as I remember, it should be 26 June 2000. That is when Bangladesh was made a test playing nation. So I'll enter A. And that was correct. For number 2, I think the answer would be B. So I'm entering B and that was correct once again. For number 3, I think it's D. That is also correct. That was end of round 1. Now round 2 begins. So since for the first question of round 2, I have inputted football, it is a wrong answer. The correct answer is supposed to be tennis. For the 5th question, we have Noble Stadium in England is associated with, I think this is football. Oops, that was wrong too. The correct answer is supposed to be cricket. Achha, which one do we need for tennis? We need racket to play tennis. That is correct. What is the national game of Bangladesh? It is Kabaddi. So that is also correct. Then Confederation Cup is associated with which game? Let me think. Oops, my time is up. The answer was football. When was the first cricket test match played? I think it's 1857. Let's see. That was correct. What is the name of the person which controls a football match? According to me, it is supposed to be the referee. Well, that is also correct. So my score for this match was 7. Now, if I want to play again, I'll hit 1. If I want to see the scoreboard, I'll hit 2. And if I want to quit the game, I'll press 3. Since there is another sector, I would like to go and discover that sector too. On pressing enter, we're again back to the main menu. This time, I'd like to play as Betty. Since we would like to start the game, we'll press S and enter. This time, we're going for random. Our game will start in 3, 2, 1, and here we are. Okay, which month is 28 days? I think it's February. Let's put B. Oops, the correct answer is D, all that I have mentioned. If you were running a race and you passed the person in second place, what place would you be in now? I think the answer is C. That is absolutely correct. What is as big as you are and yet does not weigh anything? I think it's B. Shadow. That is also correct. That was our end of round 1. So this is the first question for round 2. What can run but never walk? What has a mouth but never talk? That has a head but never weep and has a bed but never sleep. I think the answer is supposed to be river. Let's see. Oh wow, that was the correct answer. If you have 6 fish and half of them drowns, how many do you have? Half of them drowns. I think it's 3. That is wrong. It is supposed to be 6 because if fish drowns, they swim away. They don't die. So the answer is supposed to be 6. A house takes 8 hours to be built by 4 men. How much time would it take 1 man to build it? It's 0 because the house is already built. Oops, the answer is supposed to be 32. My bad. That was the end of round 2. Now round 3 starts from here. In English, which word is always spelled incorrectly? Let's see. Oops, the time's up. The answer is supposed to be incorrectly. That was smart. Johnny's mother had 3 children. The first child was named April. The second child was named May. What was the name of the third child? I think it's supposed to be Child. Well, that's wrong too. It is supposed to be Johnny. Find the answer to this brain teaser. Heavy it is, reverse it's not. That means the answer is stone, I think. That is correct. What is a 5-letter word that becomes shorter when you add 2 other letters to it? Short, I think. That is also correct. So as we can see, since the game was over, again we have these 3 options. If we want to see the scoreboard, we have to hit 2 and press enter. So let's do it and see. So here we have all the scores. So basically the user can quit the game twice, either at the end of the game or at the very beginning. I'll demonstrate this now. So as we can see, they're asking to register your name again. This time I want to register my name as Bob. Here we have the quit option. If we press Q, we can quit the game. So I'm gonna press Q and then enter. See, we have quit the game. That is all about the very exciting, very sensational ultimate quiz game. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Thank you.